Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Discord to watch movies with friends. First, you have to create a channel or select a channel where you want to watch movies together. For now, I'm going to create a server for me. From here, this is a general section of this server, but we have to navigate the voice channel of the server. Just below you will find the voice channel. Click on it. Here, this is the voice channel of the server. Click on it and you will find this voice channel, and also you can rename this and click on this green button to join the voice. Now you just need to drag up from the bottom. Here you can see drag from the bottom to up, and you will find some options. Beyond this, you will find this share your screen option. That's mean you can cast your screen or share your screen with your friends that are joined with you in this video call or audio call. Then after enabling share your screen option, you can just simply go to the movie section and just play it. Then you and your friend can watch the movies together. Just remember, stable internet connection is crucial to stream together. So make sure your and your friends internet connection is stable. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.